Hello, I recently received a package from China. There were plastic parts in this package. As you can see, one of the plastic parts is bent, and I decided to fix it. I will try to straighten the part in hot water. To do this, I boiled water and placed the plastic part there for a few minutes. The plastic shouldn't be damaged because the water temperature will be stable and less than the melting point of the plastic. Of course, you need to press the plastic with something heavy in order to return to its normal shape. After that, I quickly took out the plastic part and let it cool down in the pressed state. Let's check the result. It seems to me that it worked out well. The part has acquired its normal, original shape. Have a nice day.